Oh, hey Ashlyn. They have vegan ice cream. Want to chill?
Yeah. I wonder what kind of flavors they have.
We should do a vegan comparison video.
Let's do it.
But if you close your eyes,
hi, welcome to MonkeyWrench. How may I help you?
We want to try your best vegan flavor.
Okay, so we've got two of my very favorites would be strawberry or the banana brownie. Is there one in particular you'd want to try between the two?
Banana brownie.
Awesome.
Would I be a nuisance if I tried both of them though?
Sometimes I'll just start going.
Can I try the Rocky Road?
Yeah.
I'm back here.
2 spoons, I got 2 spoons, I got 2 spoons.
Can I get a scoop of the peach cobbler?
Peach. Maybe a scoop of peach for me too. Yeah, let's do that. I love ice cream.
At least it's thick.
So we got peach cobbler. It's their new flavor. The banana brownie was delicious, but we wanted to try another flavor also, so.
Here we go.
This makes me so happy.
Me too. Like, is that graham cracker? Tastes
Yeah,
like
it's like pie
cracker.
crust. It's so refreshing. It's so like, it's like fruity, but it's creamy because it's ice cream.
Yeah.
There's a lot going on in here, but it's delicious.
There's even fresh peaches in here.
I really taste the peaches.
I really taste the cobbler.
What part is cobbler? What part is cobbler?
They don't have this stuff at Cold Stone.
But if they did have peach cobbler at Cold Stone, would they call it cobblestone? Ice cream fact number 1. It's delicious.
Okay. Pro tip. Always use a clean spoon.
Pro tip. When you're tasting ice cream, use a wooden spoon because a normal metal spoon compromises the integrity of the flavor. MonkeyWrench is unique because it's an anti-dairy establishment.
So if you like ice cream, but you don't like what it does to your body, you should come here.
That was really good.
It was awesome, but I think our challenge is only half done.
Let's see what Cafe Silvestre has to offer.
Hey guys, welcome to Cafe Silvestre. We'll let you finish for you guys.
We want to try your best vegan ice cream.
What is your number one hit seller?
It's actually our raspberry.
I like raspberry.
All right.
World ice cream usually originates from Thailand, so it's overseas. And then what we did here is we just decided to bring it into the States and just make it our own way. And also we added a bunch of Mexican flavors as well with American flavors. And we just, let me show you guys how it's made.
Entirely different animal.
So Tito recommended the raspberry roll ice cream, and I've never had roll ice cream before. Have you?
Nope.
Let's try it. It's like a fruit roll up.
It is like
ice cream. Get a raspberry in there.
Yeah.
Grab a raspberry.
Going for the real deal.
Cheers. It's like
fresh.
Yeah, it's like sweet and it's tart and it's like it's just refreshing.
Yeah. Reminds me of picking raspberries off of my neighbor's bush.
Or like it's kind of like a popsicle kind of.
Yeah, yeah.
Like a popsicle when you're a kid in the summertime.
Like
and
those
it's like
push pops.
Yeah, and it's like all you want. It tastes like a push pop.
It does taste like a push pop.
The texture is what confuses me, but in a good way. Because I don't understand the sorcery. It's kind of, it's like an airhead almost. Like it's like the consistency. Yeah. 10 out of 10. What do you give?
Alright, here's this for you guys. So it's a coconut ice cream. cream, we put freshly toasted coconut inside. It's our vanilla ice cream, so it's 100% vanilla, 100% vegan, and then we put Oreos inside, vegan Oreos as well. And yeah, it's match made in heaven, so that's that for you guys. Awesome.
Oh, I'm ready.
Yeah, let me just make a couple samples for you guys if you guys would like.
Okay, awesome.
Of course, yes, thanks.
This is literally so good. You guys don't get you. No. This one's ours. The world is ours. This is so good.
Coconut makes it crunchy.
Do a pro tip that's not related to ice cream.
Pro tip, drink apple juice, because OJ will kill you. Pro tip, ice cream makes you live longer and better.
Alright, so here we have our pineapple sorbet and then as well as our triple berry.
Thank you. I'm excited about, wait, how do you say about? So if I say, estoy emocionado de tajín, is that correct?
Correct.
Cool. Well, estoy emocionado. I have to use both. Destroy this. I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? On a magic ice cream ride. I know I was with you once upon ice cream. Did you cobble this?
Oh yeah, it should be here any minute now.
Cool, chocolate wasted. Me too. Those guys are taking a sweet time, you know. Oh, Bobby, you're the lift?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've had a long day, Bobby. Yeah. It has been a glorious day. Beautiful day. It's a great day.
Did you guys eat all this ice cream?
Define eat. The experience.
We experienced.
So what did you guys, what's the consensus? What do you guys like?
Man, I love MonkeyWrench because of their environment. Their staff's really cool. Their ice creams are super original flavors.
Yeah. And we tried their new flavor.
Yes.
Which was super good.
It was peach cobbler ice cream.
That
And
sounds amazing.
It was both peach and cobbler and ice cream. And then we came here and the world just changed. And this one tastes like heaven.
Yeah, I can't believe you guys left MJ and I out of this. And you know, MJ and I are the experts on this food comparison stuff.
I have a great idea.
When it comes to vegan stuff, is that what you were gonna say?
We can do vegan comparisons or just dessert comparisons.
Dessert comparison. So you guys can go eat the main meal and we'll have dessert for you.
Yeah.
So out of all the ice creams you tried today, which one was your favorite?
This one. Coconut Oreo.
It's life-changing.
It's a game changer.
So when you're Salt Lake City's best ice cream place that everybody has to go to is
Cafe Silvestre.
really.
We've come to a consensus.
Yes.
Not to take anything away from the other place, all right?
We need to tell you just how good this coconut Oreo ice cream is.
We actually have been thinking about it, talking about it a lot, and I feel very passionate.
Yeah, we're gonna be gossiping about it at sleepovers for years.
Yes, for years. For years, and say 4 years from now, this ice cream hasn't talked to me, and doesn't respond to my messages. Hit me up at any hours of the day, and you bet I'd respond in 2 seconds.
This ice cream could send me unsolicited photographs into my DMs, and I would not only look at them, I would double click for a like, and possibly save it in my phone for future use.
This ice cream could hit up all my friends, and I wouldn't even blink.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends.
We want to share this with our friends.
Yes, we want to share.
more for everyone.
Anybody who wants this ice cream can and should have it.
It's that good.
It's that good. And as long as it's still there for me, no matter what time of the day, no matter how many years pass, I'm still interested.
Wow. Okay. That's how passionate they are about that ice cream.
So, if you want to taste more great ice cream, come down to 3524 South, 2200 West, West Valley City, Utah. The name is Cafe Silvestre, and it's Silvestre's World Ice Cream, man.
Alright, so if you enjoyed the episode, please click this link up here to subscribe.
And if you want to see more of these awesome guys, please click right up here. Just click right there,
Just click it, bro. It's not that hard.
It's right there.
Come on.
Bro, come on, just click right there.
Just click it. Please, do me the favor and just click the video.
Dude, it's right there.
Click it right there. You see this guy? Come on.
Just click right there, man.